This is John Deere's brand new 4x3 L series baler. We're doing a start-up at Mandubra. As you can see, we have extremely tight 4x3 bales coming out the injection chute there. Just baling grass hay. This is our first sale in this market. Is the first machine to land into Australia. So they are a unique machine as far as the feed system. They run a stuffer fork with a double trip. So unlike conventional machines, we have 45 strokes a minute plunger and 90 strokes a minute stuffer. So that enables extremely tight pre-chamber to get the most consistent biscuit, as we can see on the sides of these bales. They do run a unique 5-tine bar pickup with 88 pickup fingers. Call VANDER, your local dealer now.